I will show you very simply why I personally think equities are the best type of investment. First of all, and the most important reason, is the potential for high returns. Equities for the last 100 years has achieved an average of 10% income over annually. So, and that compared to 0.7% annual returns on gold, if you compare it to 100 years. So if you compare this to any other sort of investment, like let's say real estate, how much would you get annually? Around 4%, 5%, 6% if it's a good real estate. It's always better to invest in equities. The second reason is the ability to earn regular passive income. Many companies provide like a fixed income. You can do also the retirement income investment plans. You have so many plans in all the platforms, so you can actually create an income flow for you every month, and that income flow can increase. They would give you also dividends. They would be monthly or quarterly, whatever you need. It's very, very diversified. Third reason is the ability to protect your wealth from inflation. Stock market returns has significantly increased in the last 100 years, as I said. The rate of inflation is annually 3.1% on average, whereas in stocks it's like 10% increase in returns. So if you just save your money in the bank, you will be losing a lot each year. If you have, like, let's say $100,000 in the bank and you keep them, and next year they're $100,000, their value is going to be less. It's not like you're saving the same amount because of the inflation. So you can buy less things with this money. But if you buy equities and just hold, your money will actually increase in value. The fourth reason, and this is a very important one, is liquidity. What do I mean by liquidity? You can actually get your cash anytime you want, very fast. You can just sell your stocks and get your cash directly. Whereas in just, let's say real estate. You invested in real estate, which is a really good investment as well, but you need your cash for any emergency. You're going to have to wait a few months to sell it. Or you can, sell your real estate really fast to get the cash in lower price, and so you're going to be losing at the end. But, having your money ready anytime you need it and in cash, this is, I think is a great benefit than any other sort of investment. The fifth reason, is the ability to take advantage of a growing economy. What does that mean? When the economy is growing faster, you see it creates extra jobs, which creates extra income, and all these companies making a lot of money, and you want to be a part, eat a piece of this pie, You want to make money out of all of this. So when you buy, let's say, what is growing up now? The banking now is really booming because they're increasing the rates, the interest rates. So let's say I buy a stock in JP Morgan. As they grow, I grow, my stock grow. The value of my money grow, I'll be making money. So that's one good reason. The sixth reason is diversification. In equities, you can diversify your portfolio as much as you want. Anyone can actually invest in equities. Let's say you are a doctor and you don't know how to invest, like in which sectors, but you know exactly what's going on in medicine in, in healthcare systems, in everything. There is a vaccine coming up in a few months. There is some pharmaceutical company that's growing. You're going to invest in that, exactly what you understand. So you can actually buy stocks in whatever sector you're interested in. Also, or let's say gaming. You're into gaming. You can buy gaming stocks, and these stocks are pretty cool as well. The ability to start with a small capital, that's a very, very, very interesting point, because, to start investing, let's say in real estate or in other, assets, you need a lot of money. But in stocks, you can start with fractional shares, you can start small, you can buy shares every month with whatever you're making, you can increase your portfolio. Every time you get any cash, you can buy more stocks, and that way, during time, you will find a really huge, diversified portfolio that makes you a lot of money. Convenience, and this is a very important reason why I think shares are the best type of investment, because you can get any type of information you want easily online with every possible tool you have. You have your laptop, you have your phone with you all day. You can check, you can get the historical data for free or paid. You can get to technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever you need is free, accessible, and easy. You can find it, so that's very convenient in investing in stocks. And this is one actually of my favorite reasons, the pride of ownership of the products and services that you love. That's actually one of the reasons why I buy stocks. Like every time I drink Coca-Cola, oh, I have stocks in Coca-Cola. So I'm paying for this, like whatever, 1 dirham, for a Coke, but I'm actually making profit for myself, for my stocks. Whatever company you love, you can just invest in that, because these companies are here to stay. Even if they go down for a little bit, McDonald's have been here before I was born. It's probably going to stay for 100 more years, so I will always invest in shares in McDonald's, let's say. At the end, stocks can be a valuable asset of your investment portfolio. It just will build up your savings, protect your money from inflation, maximize your income, and so much more. And that's why I think stocks are the best type of investment. Thank you so much for listening, ladies and gentlemen.